You won't believe your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most ridiculous and downright confusing truck maneuvers ever caught on camera. From poorly timed turns and unbelievable drifts to hilariously failed reverse attempts, you'll be left wondering, how did these people even get a license? Get ready, because what you're about to see will leave you both laughing and furious. When the massive container ship MV Dolly crashed into the Francis Scott Key Bridge, it was more than just a collision. It was a moment of horror and tragedy, turning an iconic Baltimore landmark into rubble. The accident exposed the fragility of global shipping routes and raised the specter of a tragedy. Truck accidents on the highway are not just accidents. When a huge truck loses control, it can turn into a terrible disaster. Its speed, weight, and power create scenes of devastation, terrible collisions. An accident is not just an incident. It is a tragedy. Everything is distorted and crushed. Get ready for some heart-stopping moments. This video is a compilation of the most incredible fails of truck drivers and heavy machinery operators. From epic mishandling to unexpected accidents, this is definitely one video you can't miss. This is more than just a pickup truck. Crawl control is an advanced driver assistance technology that acts as an autopilot when you're tackling challenging terrain. Instead of constantly adjusting the throttle and brakes, you can focus on steering and let crawl control take care of the rest.
Little truck is all past with a camper.
The sight of steel cables stretching tight, emitting a screeching sound of friction, while the damaged truck slowly inched its way out of the deep, muddy hole. The rescue process was not easy, with the truck sliding down several times. But thanks to the determination and skills of the team, the truck was eventually pulled up safely. Terrifying moment on the street. A dramatic traffic collision between two trucks was captured in full on a dashcam. This video is not only a warning about the dangers of traffic, but also important evidence to determine who is at fault. Let's review this heart-stopping situation and learn a lesson for yourself. Witness the incredible power of the Boeing 747 supertanker, the world's largest firefighting behemoth, in action. In a matter of seconds, tons of water are dropped on a raging forest fire, dousing the flames with incredible force and precision. The incident happened in a flash. The truck was moving normally on the highway when suddenly a minor collision occurred. The driver quickly held the steering wheel firmly, not letting the vehicle lose control. Although there were a few scratches and minor dents, no one was injured. Fortunately, the damage was minimal. These situations show the dangers that lurk when highway demons recklessly overtake, disregarding all traffic rules. This not only endangers themselves, but also puts other road users in danger. Imagine, a moment of distraction can lead to unpredictable consequences. During a fierce storm, the water rose, engulfing everything in its path. When a vital levee broke, the fate of an entire city hung in the balance. Amidst the chaos, 16 truck drivers did not hesitate to step forward. It was a crazy and courageous decision, a suicide mission with only one goal: to sacrifice their vehicles to stem the floodwaters. A terrible truck accident happened, shaking the whole area. The huge cargo truck lost control and crashed into another truck. The ear-piercing collision was followed by a devastating scene: shattered metal, flying glass, and billowing black smoke. Swamps are more than just boring wetlands. They are moist, mysterious places teeming with life, where the sounds of nature mingle with the stories of the wild. From the croaking of frogs and insects to the rustling of leaves, every sound here tells a story. Trucks lose control and speed away at breakneck speeds with their brakes completely ineffective. These are not just accidents, but life or death battles as drivers and other road users face the brakeless steel monster. The video captures the tragic consequences in real-life, life or death situations, not for the faint-hearted. Are you ready to witness the earth-shattering handling of trucks and heavy machinery drivers? In this video, you will see the most weird moments, from unbelievable steering, dramatic hill descents, to near-death situations just because of carelessness. This is not just a rescue, but a battle of will and strength. Every time the rope breaks, a cry of despair rings out, drowning the hopes of those who are trying their best. The fight continues, but will they find a way to overcome this challenge? Or will this be a tragic story of the powerlessness of giant machines? A large truck was struggling to make a sharp turn down a small residential street. The engine roared with effort, the tires screeching against the road. The truck inched forward, steering hard to avoid hitting the cars parked along the curb and being careful not to run over the lush green lawn of a nearby house. When a new ship is completed, launching it into the sea is a special moment. This process is called launching. It is not just a mechanical job, but a traditional ceremony that has been taking place for hundreds of years. These horrific truck accidents are like a direct blow to our trust in the driver licensing process. Seriously, where do these drivers get their licenses out of a cereal box? Is an indignant and sarcastic question, often used by Americans to express dissatisfaction with something that is truly bad. Not a road, but a nightmare. This slope, dubbed Death Road, swallows trucks like candy. There is no room for error. Just 1 second of inattention, one too strong steering wheel, or one weak braking system, and the giant vehicle will be reduced to scrap metal. These head-on collisions can create horrific scenes, with huge trucks overturned, huge chunks of metal twisted in raging flames. Such accidents are not only unexpected events, but also a terrifying reminder of the risks of being on the road. What happened? This rare video captures one of the deadliest truck crashes in history. Explore the pieces of the story, from the deafening crash to the evidence left at the scene. Find out what happened next.
Ох, ебать, ебать! Вы что делаете, а?
Imagine a colorful array of trucks, from exquisitely modified vintage tractors to modern beasts with rugged designs, zipping through the majestic British countryside. Each vehicle is a mobile work of art, reflecting the style and personality of its driver. From bright, bold colors to unique decorative details, everything transforms the A66 into a giant open-air truck gallery. In a terrifying moment, Al Hijra's 430 horsepower Volvo bus suddenly faced an unexpected situation when a Hino 500 Tronton truck skidded and blocked the road. The entire convoy held their breath as they witnessed the bus driver's skillful steering and spectacular maneuver through the narrow gap. The truck had turned into a giant fireball, black smoke billowing like a monster, reaching its tentacles into the sky. A loud explosion echoed throughout the air. The truck was now nothing more than a pile of charred scrap metal. The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.